everyone. Welcome to the second episode of Learning English at Home. My name is Ethan. I am so happy you're here with me today. Today, we are going to talk about a very common problem. It is a question I hear from students all over the world. The question is, nobody in my family knows English. Who can help me? Maybe this is your situation right now. Maybe your parents do not speak English. Maybe your brothers or sisters do not speak English. Maybe your partner or your children do not understand a word you say. Because of this, you feel alone. You feel confused. You feel worried. You think, how can I learn? Who can I practice with? If you feel this way, please listen carefully. You are not alone. Thousands of English learners feel exactly the same. And today, I will tell you something very important. Yes, you can learn English. Yes, you can improve, even if nobody around you speaks a word of English. Let's learn how. Let's learn together. Let's be honest. Learning English alone is not easy. When nobody around you speaks the language, you might feel lonely. You might feel shy. Imagine a student named Maria. Maria wants to be an international sales leader. She studies every night, but at dinner, her family speaks their native language. When Maria tries to say an English word, her brother laughs. He doesn't understand. Maria feels embarrassed. She stops talking. Does this sound familiar? When we have no support, we lose our motivation. We say, I will learn tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes next year. But remember this, feeling alone is normal. Stopping is the real problem. If you are listening to this podcast right now, you are already strong. You have already started. That is the hardest part. Part 2. You don't need an English family. Now, let's change your thinking. Many people believe a lie. They think, I need to live in America, or I need a family that speaks English. But this is not true. You do not need an English-speaking family. You need a daily habit. Let me repeat that one more time. You need a daily habit. English is a skill. It is like driving a car. You don't learn to drive a car by watching your family. You have to get in the driver's seat. You have to put your hands on the wheel. You have to practice. English is the same. Let's practice a daily schedule. In the morning, when you wake up, say one sentence out loud. Today is a good day to practice speaking. In the afternoon, say these out loud. I will reach my goal, speaking English. I will succeed in speaking English. And I will practice speaking English every day. I am so strong. I will never give up. Never. I will get a better opportunity after improving my English. If you do this every day, even for just 10 minutes, your brain will change. You don't need luck. You need repetition. Part 3. Your phone is your teacher. You might say, Ethan, who will check my mistakes? The answer is in your hand. Your phone is your teacher. We are going to use the record and listen method. It has 4 steps. 1. Listen to me. 2. Repeat the sentence. 3. Record your voice on your phone. And 4. Listen to yourself. Let's try step 1 and 2 right now. I will say a sentence and you repeat it. My English is getting better every day. Let's try it again, a little faster. My English is getting better every day. Now, after this podcast, I want you to record that on your phone. When you listen to your own voice, you will hear your mistakes. That is good. When you hear a mistake, you can fix it. You don't need a teacher to tell you. You can hear it yourself. Remember, a teacher can show you how to learn, but a teacher cannot learn for you. Part 4. A Simple Path Forward. Many learners fail because they are confused. They use too many apps. They watch too many videos. This is random learning. To succeed at home, you need a system. You need a learning place. If you need a clear plan for 30 days of speaking practice, you can register using the link in the description below. I will send it to you right away. That is why we created Learning English at Home. Here, we give you one path, one lesson, one goal. You are part of a community now. Even if your house is quiet, the world of English learners is loud and full of energy. You are practicing with me, and I am here to support you. Part 5. Inspiring your family. One last thought. When you practice every day, your family will notice. They will see you working hard. They will see your confidence grow. Maybe one day, you will be the one to teach them. That is true. You can do that if you work hard and do it the right way, with our system. You are not just learning a language, you are becoming a leader. You are the first English speaker in your family. Here is your challenge for today. Go to our comments or our group. Write this sentence. I am the first English learner in my family, and I will not give up. Record your voice for 20 seconds. Tell me your name and why you are learning. Thank you for joining me for episode 2. Remember, small steps every day create big results. I am Ethan. Keep practicing. I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.